Hello, students. Today we're diving into two of the most fascinating topics in physics, sound, and light. We'll focus on how they behave through reflection and refraction. These topics are crucial for competitive exams like UPSC, SSC, and TPSC. So stay with me and let's break everything down in simple language. Let's start with sound. Sound is nothing but a form of energy. It is produced when something vibrates. But here's the key: sound cannot travel through vacuum. It needs a medium like air, water, or solid to move. Let me give you an example. When you ring a bell, the bell vibrates and produces sound waves, which travel through air and reach our ears. Now let's understand two very important properties of sound. Frequency, number of vibrations per second. The unit is hertz, Hz. Amplitude, height of the wave, it tells us how loud the sound is. Now what happens when sound hits a wall or a mountain? Yes, it bounces back. That's called reflection of sound. When this reflected sound reaches us after 0.1 seconds or more, it's called an echo. A real-life use: sonar, used in submarines to detect objects underwater using reflected sound waves. Now let's talk about light. Unlike sound, light can travel through vacuum. The speed of light in vacuum is 3 Lach kilometers per second or 3 x 108 ms. Let's explore how light behaves when it hits surfaces. First, reflection. When light hits a smooth surface like a mirror, it bounces back. Two laws of reflection. 1. Angle of incidence equals sine, angle of reflection. 1. Incident ray, reflected ray, and normal all lie in the same plane. Example. When you look in a mirror, that's reflection. Types. Regular reflection from a plane mirror. Diffuse reflection from a rough surface. Now, refraction, one of the most commonly asked concepts. Refraction is the bending of light when it passes from one medium to another. Why does it bend? Because the speed of light changes in different materials. Example. Have you ever noticed a pencil appearing bent in a glass of water? That's refraction. When light enters from air to water, it slows down and bends towards the normal. When it goes from water to air, it speeds up and bends away from the normal. This is described by Snell's law. 1 synth 1 equals sine n2 synth 2. Let's quickly revise some practical applications. Concave mirror, used in torches, headlights. Convex mirror, used as rear-view mirrors in vehicles. Convex lens, used in magnifying glasses. Concave lens, used in spectacles for short-sightedness. Let's revise quickly. Sound needs a medium. Light doesn't. Sound reflects as echo. Light reflects from mirrors. Light bends when it enters another medium. That's refraction. Learn laws and real-world applications. They're exam favorites. That's it for today's class on sound and light. Keep revising, make short notes, and practice MCQs. In the next session, we'll discuss lenses, mirrors, and optical instruments in detail. Thank you, and keep learning with a smile.